Hello everybody, it's me, Mr. Bradley, but today I am Bradley Bloodbeard. In today's video, we will learn how to make Viking bread. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button with all the might of Thor and use Odin's wisdom to answer the starter questions on your screen right now. So you want to learn how to be a Viking, then you have to learn to make bread like a Viking. My Viking longship has just arrived in the beaches of England and I'm very hungry. Today we're going to learn how to make Viking bread. To make my Viking bread, I first of all have to make flour. And to make my flour, I need to have wheat. I brought some fresh wheat from Norway, so all I have to do is grind it to make my flour. The wheat is not yet ready to grind. I cannot eat all of this. The husk cannot be eaten. Tastes very bad. So first of all, I have to remove the wheat berry from the husk. It will take a long time, but it will be worth it. What's left behind is the husk. The husk is just like grass. You cannot eat it. We do not want this. Okay, so now my wheat is ready. We have separated the husk from the wheat berry. All we have to do to make the flour now is grind the wheat like I grind bones to make bread. This next kitchen product I bought off of Good Housekeeping. It's called a rock and it's good for grinding wheat. Whew, this is really hard work. I really need to buy a millstone. Okay, our flour is now ready. Now it's time to make the dough. To make Viking bread, just flour and water. Nothing fancy. Now that I think about it, it's not very tasty. Okay, I've made my Viking dough. Now all I have to do is squash it into a pancake. With all the might of Thor! Why won't you die? Oh! The sand adds a little bit of flavor. Crunchy. And there you have it. Your Viking dough. Almost ready to cook now. Now all we need to cook the bread is a frying pan. Us Vikings only cook on open fires. We don't need ovens. We don't need that freshly baked bread and cupcakes and chocolatey delicious brownies with hazelnuts. And why don't we have ovens? I'll just get my frying pan nice and hot. Man, I'm hungry. Does anybody have a marshmallow? Let's have a little smell. It smells delicious. I can't wait. And here we go! Okay, my bread's just about ready. Oh, it's pretty hot. Ouch! And there you have it. Viking bread. Time for the taste test. That's great. Remember, Vikings were not famous for cooking. Actually, it's okay. I'm not a picky eater. And so we've come to the end of our video about how to make Viking bread. Recap time! To make Viking bread, I first of all have to make Viking flour. To make my Viking flour, I first of all have to remove the wheat grain from the husk. Once I've removed the wheat grain from the husk, I have to grind it into a flour. Most Vikings grind flour using a millstone, but today I just use a rock. Once I have my flour, all I do is add a little bit of water to make the dough. Finally, I flatten the dough and cook it on an open fire. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any ideas for future Viking videos, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with all the might of Thor. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.